Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the regular puzzle. The regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 2nd, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the binary and the 4 stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with the second regular puzzle, the 4 star Sudoku. And the news of today, well, it's war day number 952. 952 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Alright, this one will be number 9368. Before start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. 4 star Sudoku should be 24, but this one has 25. Should be a 3 stars puzzle. 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, the publisher has indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for 9. I should be there. 2, 2, 3, 3. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, need a 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the second column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 4, it should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can not see yet. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 4. We have a 4 now in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. Now I have all the 4s. Okay. Then, let me see. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the third column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle, second row. So the first row, the only place left, 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. How about 2, 2. Let me see. 6, 6. And, need a 3 here. Need a 2 there. Need an 8 here. Come on. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. 6 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 6. We have 6 in the first column, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have 6 in this row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only place level 6 should be there. 6, 6. 6, 6, okay. Then, let me see. Need a 7 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have 7 in the third column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. The 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the third column. 7 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So the first column, the only place level 7 should be there. 7. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes, and here 2, 2. I need 8 here. Need a 3, need a 9, and a 6, okay. 7, 9. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these two boxes. We have 5 in this row, no 5 in those two boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this row, 5 in one of those boxes in the second row. So the third row, the only two places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 7. We have 5 and the 7 in this row. So no 5 and the 7 in these two boxes. 5 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes, and here. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places level 8 should be here. On there, we have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the third row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 in this last column, 2 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left. 2 should be here. On there, we have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left. 2 should be here. On there, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left. 2 should be here. On there, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 2. Then 2 numbers left in the third column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 7 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and 8, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 1 and the 6. Then 1 and the 9, 3, 1 and 9. How about the 8 in this row, the 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. 1, 6, and need a 9 here. I need a 9 in this big square. 9 could be here, could be there. Cannot be here because we have a 9 in this column. So you have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between the only place left for 9 should be there. 9 and 7. Okay, 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3 is missing, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the rows from that row, the only 2 place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. 1 goes there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left the 1 should be there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left now in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing now. 8 and the 5, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 and the 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing and the 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes again. Cannot believe this. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So, well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.